If you want to run a full Linux system inside Windows safely and learn how to set up a secure environment for penetration testing, this video will show you all the necessary steps that you need to go through to get a Parrot OS running on VirtualBox. Now, the Parrot operating system is a powerful operating system used for penetration testing and ethical hacking. And before we can get it, we need to download VirtualBox because that's what you are going to use to run the virtual machine. So you open your browser and search for VirtualBox download. Click on the link that takes you to the official Oracle VirtualBox website. When you get to the downloads page, you will see different versions for different operating systems. Since we are using Windows, we click on the Windows host. Your download will begin automatically. Wait for some time for the download to complete. Once it is done, go to the downloads folder and open the installer. Install VirtualBox like any other software by following the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When the installation finishes, the next thing we need to do is to get the Parrot OS. Open your browser again and search for Parrot OS download. Click on the official Parrot OS website. On the download page, you will see several editions of Parrot OS available. In this tutorial, we are going to use the Security Edition, which is specifically designed for penetration testing and security tools. Click on the Security Edition and then click on the ISO AMD64 file to start the download. The ISO file is large, so wait for it to finish downloading completely. Once the Parrot OS is downloaded successfully, you have to open the VirtualBox. Now in the VirtualBox Manager interface, click on New to create a new virtual machine. Type the name of the operating system, for example, Parrot OS. Under the ISO image option, click the drop-down menu and choose the Parrot OS ISO file you just downloaded. After that, click Next. Now choose an amount of RAM you want to assign to the virtual machine. The recommended is around 2 GB. That is going to work better. But if you have enough memory, you can increase it to 8 GB for better performance sake. Now, you need to choose the number of CPU cores that you want to give it. So 2 is the minimum, and if you have more, you can assign around 4. Now you need to create a virtual hard disk as well. So create a virtual hard disk now and click the next button to select the VDI option in the drop down and click on next. Now you need to set a hard disk size. The minimum requirement is around 20 GB, but I recommend using 35 to 50 GB if you want to do something smoothly. So you click on next and then click on finish. Right now your new VM is being created successfully, so you click on the VM at the left side and click on settings. Under general, then you go to advanced, set shared clipboard to bidirectional, and then the drag and drop to bidirectional as well, so that you can copy and paste between Windows and then the virtual machine. Now go to system, then you go to processor and make sure the number of CPU cores matches what you set earlier. Under display, set at least 128 MB of video memory, and under USB, leave it as default unless you need to change it, right? So under storage, confirm that the Parrot OS ISO is attached to the optical drive and click on OK to save all the settings. Now click on Start. The virtual machine will boot and you will see the first screen with the options. At this side, what you have to do is to just click on Install Debian. Just don't worry about the name. Go ahead and click on the Install Debian and it's going to take you to this window. Right here, you need to keep the America English as default, right? So after you can also change it if you want to, but then I prefer to keep the English America and click on next, right? Over here, you have to select your region, which is the America, and also the zone should be New York City, but you can also change it to match with your region that you are inside, right? So I'll keep it as default like that and I'll click on next. Over this side, you have to select the keyboard and then the keyboard layout should be English US and you click on next. Right here, select erase disk, right? Just don't worry about that. Select erase disk right there, and the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on next, right? If you click on next, it's going to take you to this side where you would have to enter your name and your password right here. Make sure you keep all the credentials that you are entering here in your mind, because that's what you'll be using later when you want to reopen the VM, right? So you go ahead and set up your password at this side. After entering the password, make sure you repeat the password again, and the password should also be around 6 and above going. So go ahead and enter the password that you want to use at this side. Go ahead and enter it or repeat the password, and make sure that the password that you are entering is matching. Both of them matches. After that, go ahead and click on login automatically without asking for the password if you want to, right? So after that, click on install and click on install now. Give it some time and it's going to load, and then you will see this particular screen right here. Give it some small time and it's going to finish the installation. Right here you will see done. Uncheck the restart now and go back and shut down the VM at that side. Click on the start menu down there to shut the VM down, and go ahead and remove the ISO file and continue. So go ahead and shut it down. After that, open the VirtualBox and go to settings, right? Select your VM and go to settings, go to storage, and under controller ID select the Parrot Security 64 and go ahead and click on the disk icon and click on remove disk from virtual drive. After that, click on OK and come back to the VirtualBox Manager interface. Click on Start to boot the VM, and you need to give it some time for the booting to finish and take you to your Parrot operating system interface, and you can basically start exploring everything. This particular thing takes a few seconds to complete, and then boom, you are inside the home page. Now if you want the full screen, click on the view and go to full screen mode and click on switch. And now you have the full screen, and everything basically looks like you are using the Parrot operating system as your default operating system. So right now you have your Parrot operating system running, and you can basically explore everything that you want. So I'll go ahead and open the terminal and run a sudo upgrade, and then we see what happened. So this is the terminal, and I will go ahead and type sudo apt upgrade, right? So sudo apt upgrade, and I'll hit on upgrade, right? And I'll hit on enter, right? And then I have to enter the root password as an administrator, and I'll go ahead and do that by entering the password, and I'll hit on enter. So you can see that all the packages are downloading, and it's going to download all the latest security packages, and it's asking me whether I want to continue. So I'll go ahead and then type Y and press on enter, and you can see everything is basically working. All the packages and everything is downloading. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also leave your comments if you're having any problem in the comment section, and I'll come and help you.